Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at this HSSDTECH LCD LVDS LED EDP display cable, a 30-pin replacement specifically designed for several Lenovo Ideapad 1 models. If you're experiencing screen issues like flickering, no display, or distorted images on your Ideapad 1-14 IGL7, 1-14 IU7, 1-14 ALC7, or 1-14 IGL7, this cable might just be the solution you've been searching for. This particular cable is manufactured by Huasheng Suda and comes in black with male-to-male connectors in a round shape. More importantly, it's designed to be a direct replacement for the original Lenovo part numbers DC02C00US30, DC02C00US00, DC02C00US10, DC02C00US20, and 5C10S30336. Compatibility is key here, and it's great to see that HSSDTECH has clearly listed the specific Lenovo Ideapad 1 models this cable is compatible with. The 1-14 IJL7, 82LV, 1-14 IU7, 82QC, 1-14 ALC7, 82 or 3, and 1-14 IGL7, 82V6. A failing display cable can manifest in a number of frustrating ways. You might see a completely blank screen even though the laptop powers on, or the display might flicker intermittently. Sometimes, you'll get distorted images or strange colors. These issues can often be traced back to a damaged or worn-out display cable, especially in laptops that are frequently opened and closed. Replacing a display cable might seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, it's a repair that many users can tackle themselves. There are plenty of online tutorials and videos that can guide you through the process of disassembling your Lenovo Ideapad 1 and replacing the cable. Just be sure to take your time, be gentle with the delicate connectors, and ground yourself to avoid static electricity discharge, which can damage sensitive components. This HSSDTECH cable appears to be well constructed, and the connectors seem solid. Of course, the true test will be in its long-term performance, but initial impressions are positive. If you're comfortable working inside your laptop, this replacement cable could save you the cost of a professional repair or even a new laptop. It's always a good idea to double-check the part numbers and compatibility with your specific Lenovo Ideapad 1 model before ordering to ensure a perfect fit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.